Hey there, fellow seekers of success. Welcome back to the Insider's Views, your ultimate destination for empowering insights. Today, we're diving deep into the transformative realm of self-empowerment, unlocking the secrets to a life of unparalleled success and fulfillment. Segment 1. Embracing Change, a journey into self-empowerment. Life is a roller coaster of challenges and opportunities, but fear not, because the key to unlocking your potential lies in self-empowerment. It's not just a buzzword, it's a force that can catalyze profound transformations in every aspect of your life. Segment 2. The essence of self-empowerment. At the core of self-empowerment is the recognition of your own abilities and strengths. It's about realizing that change is not only inevitable, but also within your control. It's a holistic journey that goes beyond mere motivation, delving into the depths of self-awareness and resilience. Segment 3. Steps towards self-empowerment. Mindful self-reflection. The journey begins with mindful self-reflection. Take the time to understand your goals, values, and areas for growth. This introspective process sets the stage for meaningful progress. Goal setting and action plans. Empowerment is an active pursuit. Set clear, achievable goals and devise strategic action plans. This forward-focused approach propels you towards your aspirations. Cultivating a positive mindset. Positivity is a game changer. Embrace a positive mindset, enhance resilience, foster creativity, and fuel determination. Through mindfulness practices and reframing negative thoughts, harness the transformative energy of positivity. Segment 4. The impact of self-empowerment on life transformation. Now let's explore the impact of self-empowerment. In the professional realm, it's a game changer. Heightened confidence, leadership skills, and adaptability not only contribute to personal career growth, but also create a positive impact on organizational dynamics. Segment 5. Your gateway to empowering insights. As we unravel the intricacies of self-empowerment, remember, knowledge is power. That's why the Insider's Views is your gateway to empowering insights. We're committed to providing in-depth knowledge, expert perspectives, and actionable strategies to fuel your journey towards a fulfilled and successful life. Segment 6. Community engagement and support. Our community is thriving, and so can you. Dive into our forums, connect with like-minded individuals, and share your journey. The power of a supportive community is unparalleled. Segment 7. Exclusive interview with a self-empowerment expert. To deepen our understanding, I had the privilege of sitting down with a renowned self-empowerment expert. Stay tuned for exclusive insights and practical tips straight from the expert's playbook. Segment 8. Interactive self-empowerment exercise. Now let's put what we've learned into action. Join me in this interactive self-empowerment exercise. Grab a pen and paper. We're going to kickstart your journey right here, right now. Segment 9. Showcasing success stories, real transformations. Witness the power of self-empowerment through the inspiring journees of individuals just like you. Their successes are proof that anyone can unleash their potential. Segment 10. Weekly challenges and check-ins. To keep the momentum going, we're introducing weekly challenges. Join us in these actionable tasks designed to boost your self-empowerment journey. Plus, we'll have check-ins to share our progress and support one another. Closing segment, join the movement. So, fellow adventurers, gear up for the journey of a lifetime. Subscribe, hit that notification bell, and join the Insider's Views community. Together, let's unleash the power of self-empowerment and transform our lives for the better.